If you're looking to manage your iCloud Drive files on your iPhone, we've got you covered. Whether you want to organize your files, delete unnecessary items, or move files between folders, managing your iCloud Drive is straightforward. Here's how to do it. Managing iCloud Drive files on iPhone. Solution 1. Access iCloud Drive. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap Browse at the bottom of the screen. Select iCloud Drive under the Locations section. This will display all the files and folders stored in your iCloud Drive. Solution 2. Organize files and folders. Create a new folder. Tap the More or 3 dots in the upper right corner. Then tap New Folder. Name your folder and tap Done. Move files. Tap Select in the upper right corner. Choose files you want to move. Then tap Move at the bottom of the screen. Choose the destination folder within iCloud Drive. Rename files, enter the new name, and tap Done. Solution 3. Delete files. Tap Select in the upper right corner. Choose the files you want to delete. Tap the trash icon at the bottom of the screen to delete them. Remember that deleted files are moved to the recently deleted folder and can be recovered within 30 days. Solution 4. Share files. Tap and hold the file you want to share. Tap Share from the menu. Choose how you'd like to share the file, such as via messages, mail, or AirDrop. Solution 5. Download files for offline access. Tap and hold the file you want to download. Tap Download from the menu. The file will be available offline in your Files app. Solution 6. Search for files. Open the Files app, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, enter the name of your file you're looking for to quickly find it within iCloud Drive. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your iCloud Drive files directly from your iPhone. If this guide helps, let me know in the comments below.